And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us these soy wax scented candles. Fresh scents for your home and life. And you can see there, just scented candles set with a couple of the scents there. Back here tells you about the box just being recyclable and all that stuff. So let's open it on up. See what we got. Oh, look at that. Very nice little thank you note. Love the, oh my God, the smell from this box. It smells very good. So there's what the candles look like. Love, these are actual glass. And this is the eucalyptus and sage. As you can see, smells phenomenal. Then, I guess we can go ahead and just take this thing off. It looks like the glasses are the same, but I can say these put out a very strong scent. Very, very strong. This is vanilla coconut, and yes, make sure you take these little things telling you the flavor, telling you the scent out before you light them. Thank you very much. Rose. This one's got like a red tint. Really like that. Oh, it's also on the bottom. Oh, never mind. No, it's not. Then lastly, set for the box, is sandalwood. So love the different colors though. Looks like this one's kind of like black. This one's like yellow, blue and pink, blue and red. But all the containers are the same. They're all real glass. Nice soy wax candles. This is essentially all 4 of them that you would get, what they would look like, and you know what to do next. Just light them and enjoy the scent. I will say they do smell very good, like strong scents, the vanilla coconut, eucalyptus, all of them very, very strong. 2 thumbs up. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send these to me. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.